Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Simple Mills cake is probably one of the most delicious and healthy treats you can find on the market. Made with simple, whole food ingredients, these cakes are a game changer for anyone looking for a guilt-free indulgence. Whether you're a seasoned health enthusiast or just starting your wellness journey, this cake offers a perfect balance of flavor and nutrition, making it an ideal choice for any occasion. Number 5. Simple Mills Pancake and Waffle Mix, Original, 6-pack. Start your day right with this delicious mix. It's gluten-free, plant-based, and perfect for a healthy breakfast. This mix makes fluffy pancakes and waffles. If you're following a paleo diet, this is a great option. It's made with almond flour and other natural ingredients. You can enjoy a tasty breakfast without compromising your dietary needs. Making pancakes or waffles is super easy with this mix. Just add a few simple ingredients and you'll have a delightful breakfast in minutes. It's a convenient way to enjoy a wholesome meal. Enjoy the classic taste of pancakes and waffles. This mix delivers a satisfying flavor that everyone will love. It's a perfect choice for a family breakfast. You'll receive 6 packs, each containing 10.7 ounces of mix. This ensures you have plenty on hand for multiple breakfasts. It's a great value for a healthy and delicious breakfast option. What we like. This pancake and waffle mix is a fantastic choice if you're following a gluten-free or paleo diet. It offers a convenient way to enjoy delicious breakfast treats without compromising your dietary needs. If you are looking for a quick and easy breakfast that aligns with your health goals, you should consider this. What people say. Simple Mills cake is a great option for those with dietary restrictions. The cake is made with almond flour, which is a gluten-free alternative to traditional wheat flour. The cake is also free of refined sugars and artificial ingredients. Number 4. Simple Mills Banana Muffin and Bread Mix, 3-pack. Introducing a convenient way to enjoy delicious banana bread. This mix brings real banana flavor to your kitchen, making baking fun and nutritious. It's perfect for a quick treat or a healthy snack. This mix is made with a purposeful ingredient list. It's packed with nutrient-dense ingredients, offering a wholesome baking experience. You'll love the quality and taste. See what others are saying about this product. You can find reviews on your phone or laptop. Discover why so many people love it. This product contains nothing artificial. It's a shelf-stable snack, ideal for your pantry. It's a great way to boost your energy and productivity. This mix is made with simple ingredients. It's certified gluten-free, non-GMO, grain-free, corn-free, paleo-friendly, and plant-based. Enjoy a treat that aligns with your dietary needs. What we like. This banana muffin and bread mix stands out with its real banana flavor, thanks to the use of actual bananas. The mix is packed with nutrient-dense ingredients, making it a wholesome choice for baking. If you like the taste of fresh bananas and want a healthier baking option, you should consider this. What people say. Simple Mills cake has a great taste. The cake is made with almond flour. The cake is a good option for those with dietary restrictions. Number 3. Simple Mills Vanilla Cupcake and Cake Mix. This is the Simple Mills Almond Flour Vanilla Cake Mix. It's a delicious and sweet treat that's better for you than traditional options. The mix features a nutrient-dense and purposeful ingredient list. You'll love the taste of this baking product from Simple Mills. Check out the reviews on your devices to see what other customers think. They rave about how delicious it is. This product contains nothing artificial. It's a shelf-stable snack, perfect for your pantry, and a great way to boost your energy and productivity. Made with simple ingredients, it's certified gluten-free, non-GMO, grain-free, corn-free, paleo-friendly, and plant-based. What we like. This vanilla cupcake and cake mix offers just the right amount of sweetness. It's a better-for-you alternative to conventional cake mixes. If you are looking for a delicious vanilla cake that aligns with your health goals, you should consider this. What people say. Simple Mills cake is a great option for those with dietary restrictions. The cake is made with almond flour and other whole food ingredients. It is also gluten-free, dairy-free, and soy-free. Number 2. Simple Mills Chocolate Muffin and Cake Mix. This delicious mix from Simple Mills is perfect for making muffins, cupcakes, or even a cake. It's made with almond flour and coconut flour, offering a healthier alternative. The mix uses almond flour and coconut flour for added nutrients. This blend provides a great taste while keeping things wholesome. With coconut sugar, this mix offers a lower glycemic impact. It's a great choice for those mindful of their sugar intake. It's certified gluten-free and paleo-friendly. You can enjoy it without any grains, soy, corn, dairy, or gums. The product is also non-GMO project verified. You can trust that it's made with quality ingredients. Whether you want muffins, cupcakes, or a cake, this mix has you covered. It's versatile and easy to use. What we like. This chocolate muffin and cake mix is made with a blend of almond and coconut flour, and coconut sugar for a lower glycemic impact. It's a great choice if you're looking for a treat that's a bit kinder to your blood sugar levels. If you are looking for a delicious chocolate treat that is also health conscious, you should consider this. What people say. They all turned out beautifully moist and delicious. The texture is moist, soft, flavorful, and a bit heavy, but still puffed up like a cupcake should. You cannot tell these are not made with wheat flour. Number 1. Simple Mills Baking Mix Variety Pack, 3-pack. Introducing the Simple Mills Baking Mix Variety Pack. This pack offers a delightful assortment of flavors. It's perfect for trying multiple options or sharing with loved ones. This variety pack includes 3 delicious mixes: banana muffin and bread, chocolate muffin and cake, and pumpkin muffin and bread. Each one is crafted to perfection, offering a unique and satisfying experience. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This variety pack is an excellent choice. It's a great way to share the joy of delicious, gluten-free baking with family and friends. Simple Mills is committed to using only the best ingredients. You can enjoy these mixes knowing that they are free from artificial ingredients and made with wholesome goodness. These baking mixes are incredibly easy to prepare. Just follow the simple instructions, and you'll have fresh, delicious treats in no time. Get ready to enjoy the taste of homemade goodness. What we like. This variety pack allows you to try multiple flavors, including banana, chocolate, and pumpkin. It's perfect if you enjoy having options or want to send a gift to family and friends. If you are looking for a way to sample different flavors or share with others, you should consider this. What people say. They all tasted great for someone who cannot have certain things. The texture is great. So easy to make, and the ingredients are ones that I feel good about. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.